Alright, it's gonna take off on me. We're gonna be headed west on McCain. Speed's 52. Light traffic. Just information, if we could go have somebody go down to that gas station. Another gentleman hopped out, long black male with braids. Alright, let's do this. Clear left, clear right. It's a stolen vehicle, occupied one time. I'll give you that tagger in a second. Is 3, 2, 1. on giving it over to state.
On the rock, 237. Turn on Park Road, Dana Street.
We're on trip units and that's directed for Adam 54, 1037.
Bell, TBI.
Copy, Felony.
Again, second time. Show me your fucking hand! Show me your hand! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Open the fucking door! Get out of the car! Get out! We're getting her in custody. Clear the car, call. We're tip 15.
You guys think he was gonna kill me if I didn't drive?
In the back of this car. Charles 25. Did I have a unit go over there to that gas station? Fairfax and 161, a black male hopped out right as we were taking off.
So I had to play catch up, otherwise I've been right there with you.
What address are we at? 118, 17 sharp. Final stop is 1817 sharp.
817.
Correction, 817. Charles 25. If you want to call the victim, see if they want to come get it. It might be drivable. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it, man.
Good, buddy, good.
No. Hey, what's your name? Turn and face me. Your name's what?
Devae.
Spell it.
D-E-V.
D-E-V-A-E.
E. Nichols, N-I-C-H-O-C.
H-O-L-S. What's your date of birth?
10/8/96.
All right. Ms. Nichols, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney and to have an attorney present during any question. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided to you at the government's expense. Knowing and understanding the rights in the manner in which I explain them to you, are you willing to answer questions without an attorney present?
Yeah.
You understand your rights?
Yeah.
And what's your full name again?
Devae Nichols.
Okay. Why'd you flee from us?
Because the guy said he was going to shoot me if I didn't.
Nobody was with you.
He jumped out the car when he seen me coming fast.
Then why'd you take off then?
Because he says if I don't listen to him, he knows where like who I am and his family will find me because they were just all around me.
What's his name?
No.
You don't know his name?
He goes by AG. I don't know his name.
Okay. So I'm saying you're full of crap because if someone threatened to kill me and then a law enforcement officer went to pull me over, I would stop.
AG, and everybody keeps saying they don't.
Okay. Well, I would stop. I wouldn't run 2 towns over, 3 towns over away from law enforcement at 100 and something miles an hour, almost killing all of us and all these people driving.
But they've done fucked up shit to me in the past.
Okay, well, I'm calling crap. You're full of crap. If all you know is this dude's name is AJ, and you're going to take off from me like that. Oh, AG, okay. So, a dude did hop out at the gas station. I guess I didn't get out. I asked for a unit to go over there.
They got out.
Okay. Nobody went?
I was on 165 getting 440 to catch up to y'all.